Using only pure natural ingredients of malted barley, hops and water, Windhoek Lager has been brewed strictly according to the Reinheitsgebot purity laws since 1516. Windhoek Lager has been a 3 times gold medal winner of the DGL International Brewing Awards in Germany and is now available in the UK. Windhoek Lager, 100% pure beer.